Today I'm following Helpful Engineering's instructions for making a community pleated mask. It's my first time making a mask, as I'm sure it's yours, so let's try this together. You'll need the following materials for the project: sewing machine or needle and thread, freshly washed non-woven polypropylene bags, 100% cotton material, elastic about 1/4 inch or cloth ties, pipe cleaners or coated paper clips, and scissors. What I'm doing now is measuring my polypropylene materials. I'm going to have 2 layers of polypropylene, one on the outside and one on the inside. Between those 2 layers, I'm going to have a material that's 100% cotton. That's the black fabric you see in between. Your 3 layers should be 8 inches high by 9 inches wide. Top stitch the 3 layers together. The non-woven polypropylene layers will be on the outside and the 100% cotton layer will be on the inside. Sew a 1/4 inch from the edge all the way around the 4 sides. Oops. It's a lot harder than it looks. If you get a little snag like this, don't worry about it. In the end, you'll fold over the edges and it won't be seen. I'm going to fold the sides and the bottom in this next step. Right now, I'm folding in one of the 8-inch sides and I'm sewing it with the sewing machine. I'm sewing slightly less than 1/4 from the edge. Now I'm sewing along the side that is 9 inches. Last, I'm sewing along the side that is 8 inches. I'm not going to sew the last side that is 9 inches because I'm going to place pipe cleaners in there. I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners and twist them together so that they'll be firm. This will allow the mask to be pressed down over the bridge of the nose, forming an acceptable seal. Cut the pipe cleaners to length. Fold the unstitched top down over the twisted pipe cleaners. The top should be folded about 1/2 inch down from the edge, and stitch this into place. You may need to use one finger to keep the pipe cleaner in place as you sew. Now I'm going to make 3 folds to pleat the mask so it can be expanded. This is a lot more difficult than you would imagine, and time consuming, but if you stick with it, it'll come together. You're going to stitch these in place by stitching along the sides 1/4 inch from the edge. You'll be stitching right on top of your previous stitches. Last, we're going to sew the elastic bands 1/4 inch from the edge. If your band is too loose, simply cut, move the band over, and sew it again. My mask is done, and so is yours. Wear it with flair!